Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to make deer liver pate. Of course, first of all you have to get a deer liver. So about 2 hours ago Mum walked into the house and said that there was 2 deer up on the slip there behind me. About 5 minutes later, grabbed my rifle and ran out the back, and 5 minutes after that, boom, got a deer. So I took the deer liver out of the guts just before I carried the deer home, and then I'll show you what to do next. Right, so I've got my fresh deer liver and my ingredients: onion, garlic, pepper, salt, olive oil and balsamic vinegar. So now I've cut off about 600 grams of the liver. Just to give you an idea, you don't have to get the proportions exactly right, but just so you guys have an idea of how much of each to use. We're going to cut them into smaller slices and then cook them up with the onions and garlic. Next we're going to put the liver onto the fire to fry. And this fire is actually a wood fire, as you can see under there. A little bit of olive oil. Once those onions and garlic are caramelized, then we'll add the liver. So because it's a wood fire, we have to put some wood in the fire so that we get our heat. And this is how we do all of our cooking at Gorge River. Now that the onions, garlic and liver are well cooked, we're going to put them into the food processor. We'll add the juice. And then finish by adding some sesame oil, olive oil, let's say about half a teaspoon of salt and lots of cracked pepper. And lucky last, some balsamic vinegar. And now we're going to blend this up. This is using solar power from the solar panels on the roof. And we're going to go until it is nice and fine like pate. Now we're almost done. Last thing, I'm just adding a little bit of raw garlic, about 3 cloves, and that's just going to help it last because we don't have a refrigerator here at the moment. And there you have it. Wild venison pate. Fit for a French person. I like to have it with a little bit of watercress from the garden. Put that on top. So give it a go yourself and let me know how you get on. Yep.